Hey, what is up guys, Dude Tech here. Welcome back with a brand new video. In this video I have another cool tweaks for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. With that being said, let's get started. RespringApp. So I think the name is just explain himself. So when you download the tweak, it's not a tweak, it's just an app. You can just set it on your iDevice. So when you download the app, it will be like an icon on your screen, just like so. And what is that gonna be do? Simply, if you just tap on it, it will be respring your device. So sometimes you might download something and you want to respring your device. You don't want to hit Cydia back again. You just want to respring your device. That application or that app, when you download it, is going to be helping you to respring your device. Once you download the app, don't have anything to configure, it will be show up here on your home page, and then just tap on it, it will be respring your device just like so. There you have it guys, RespringApp. YouTubeVolume. So when you download the tweak, it has just one thing to configure, which is going to be the enable button here. When you download the tweak, all what you need to do is just enable the button here, and that is going to be bring that volume, which is going to be on the top. As you guys can see, is going to be bring that volume on your status bar. It looks like this. So there you go guys, when you download the tweak, has nothing to configure. The only thing that you need to do just to enable the button here, and it will be work right away on your smart device. YouTubeVolume. CustomLockScreenDuration. So I've been looking for that thing from a long time ago, and then guys, when you want to read something, when you want, for me, other YouTubers, when you want to just like make a video for your lock screen, you want to take a screenshot for something on your lock screen, you can't, because it is going to be, once you wake up, your lock screen is going to be back to sleep mode. So with the custom lock screen here, you can set the time from 0 up to 40 seconds. So that's pretty much is going to be helps a lot of people who caring about some stuff on their lock screen, or somebody who just want to shoot some video, somebody want to, as I said, somebody want to take a screenshot, somebody want to read something on his lock screen. So with this tweak right there, it's going to be help a lot, and it's going to be making you having more access on your lock screen. Once you download the tweak, it has one thing to configure, which is going to be set the time that you want. And as I said, it's going to be from 0 up to 40 seconds. There you go guys, custom lock screen duration. The next cool tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, which is going to be the shy notifications. So when you download the tweak, you don't have to wake up your screen once you receive any kind of notification come into your iDevice. And this is really cool. So for example, you just hang out with some friends, or you hang out at home and your girlfriend with you, for example, and then once you just receive any kind of notification, so that tweak, it won't be wake up your screen, and somebody can be focused on your notification or what you receive on your smartphone. So if I giving you right now guys example to showing you how is that gonna be work, I'm gonna be use my other device to send something. Let me just send a message here. And then as you guys can see, one more time, as you guys can see, I hear that I received some notification on my iDevice, but nobody can see what did I receive. So as you guys can see here right now, I do receive 2 messages, and this is really nice tweak to hide your privacy. What did you receive on your iDevice? Once you download the tweak, it has nothing to configure. It will be work right away when you install the tweak on your iDevice. There you go guys, really beautiful. Highly recommend you guys to download it. Shy notifications. Alright, so the next cool tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, which is going to be the MiniBar. So as you guys can see here, we have just 2 options and then the enable button here. So let me just stop on my status bar. Can you guys can see how small is my status bar? It's small, tiny. It wasn't like usual. So as I told you guys, we have 2 options here. So once you download the tweak, you need to enable the button here, and then it's going to be providing you with two options, which is going to be change the status bar size, so you can set it on the original or you can choose the mini. So once you're done from that, you need to make sure to respring your device to take that effect. And as you guys can see, how is that beautiful? For me, it's really beautiful and tiny. And the other thing, when you switch in between your pages, you will see something different. So as you guys can see right now, once I get back to my home page, my carrier is just gone with that tweak. So my carrier gone, all what I have, my Apple logo and my Wi-Fi connection right there. If I want to go back to the settings again, tap on the settings, as you guys can see, it will bring back to me my battery indicator here, and then it's going to be bring back my carrier signal. Going back to home page, all that will be disappeared, and it's going to be make it clear for you, tiny for the time, and it's going to be leave just the Wi-Fi signal and my Apple logo. It's a nice and a beautiful tweak to download, and there you go guys, MiniBar. Zeal. So when you download the tweak, it will be providing you with a lot of stuff and cool stuff, and it's going to be having a capture, and it's going to be providing you with alert of your battery mode. So as you guys can see here, once you download the tweak, the first thing that you need to do to enable the button here, and you can go through customization things on this tweak right there. So one of the things here, you can choose the alert mode, as you guys can see here, and in here you can go to activate switches from here, so you can just do the activate the switches that you want with the Zeal, and then you can go to the activation method from here, so you can pick the activation, the notify when the battery is full, so you can just turn that on, and then much other stuff that you can customize when you download the tweak. Once you're done from everything, you need to make sure to respring your device, so your device will be pick up the new effect. So let me show you guys when you set everything. So I put my activation method once I double tap on my status bar, just like so. So it's going to be providing you with the battery indicator, everything, most the information about my battery. Also is going to be providing you with more information here about my battery and all the things that I need to know all about my charging using this tweak. It's a cool tweak to download it. I highly recommend you guys to download it because it's going to be giving you a lot of information about your battery on your iDevice. There you go guys, Zeal. Mini and C. When you download the tweak, it will be providing you with this small notification on your notification center. So let me just open one of my notification here. This is what it's going to be do for your iDevice when you want to open your notification center. So this is how is the notification when you receive it on your notification center. This is what that tweak is going to be providing you with. Once you download the tweak, it has nothing to configure. It will be work right away on your smart device. Mini and C. The next beautiful tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, which is going to be the ringUI. So when you download the tweak, it is going to be giving you a nice feature when you set it on your iDevice. It will be change most of the icons, most of the things that you have on your control center, your notification center, all those you can make it as a square shape, as you guys can see right now. And then as you guys can see right now, that most the icons that I have on my iDevice is in square shape, as you guys can see here. Even if I want to open my control center, as you guys can see, it's on square shape. So if we go to the settings, first of all, if you want to make the square shape for all your folders, notification and alert and all the icons on your home screen, you need to enable the button here, and then it's going to be providing you with more than option, which is you can make your square for your control center, so you can enable that. And then it's the other option, if you want to make the square for your app switcher, you can enable that here, and then is going to be giving you other option, which is going to be you can make square for the passcode if you have passcode on your lock screen. So all that is good. You can change that, simply just enable the button here, and then you can change your passcode to the square shape using this tweak right there. Once you're done from everything, you need to make sure just to respring your device, so your device will be take that effect. So if you're looking for that kind of stuff and that beautiful shape for your icons, there you go guys, you can download the ringUI under the U repo. ringUI. Repoleak. So when you download, this is an app, so when you download the app on your iDevice, let me just open that right there. So when you download the app, it will be show up as an icon on your home screen. Tap on it. So the first thing is going to be providing you with, this is going to be for the top paid tweaks, and in the other section is going to be for the top free tweaks, and in the other one, which is going to be providing you with the top news for the newest future tweaks will be came at soon. So when you download the application, as I said, is going to be providing you with a lot of things, and then also you can search for any kind of tweak here. Maybe you're looking for a repo, maybe you're looking for some new information about some tweak, so you can do the search from here. If you like to download the application, there you go guys, Repoleak for your iDevice. The next beautiful tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, which is going to be the TapTap CC Light. So when you download the tweak, it will be providing you with increase and decrease the light or the business light on your smartphone. So it's going to be providing you with two sections here. You can increase amount here, and then you can decrease the amount. You can set that from here. So if you go to the option here, it's going to be providing you from 5% up to 100%. And then the other thing that is going to be providing you with, which is going to be, you can enable the feedback from here. So you can just enable that button here, and then once you're done from everything, all what you need to do, just tap on respring your device. And what it's going to be do, let me just showing you guys here, open my control center. As you guys can see here, is going to be providing you with the increase and decrease the volume here, and then the other thing is going to be for your light, business light on your home screen. So simply if you just stop here, is going to be providing you with the highlight with the highest lights on your smartphone. The other tab here is going to be as you set it on your smartphone is going to be 50%, and then the next one is going to be 0 or like 3%. Tapping again here is going to be full. Tapping here is going to be a half. If you go to the volume, it's going to be the same thing. Tapping here, so you can increase and decrease the volume and the business light on your smart device. So this is what is the TapTap CC Light is going to be providing you with, and there you go guys. If you like the tweak, you can go ahead and download it, called TapTap CC Light. DarkSnap. So when you download the tweak, it will be give that black mode using your Snapchat application. So let me just showing you guys how is that gonna be work. So if I launch my Snapchat application here, as you guys can see right now, it will be giving me that dark mode on my Snapchat page. And as you guys can see right now, it will giving me that beautiful dark mode using my Snapchat application. So when you download the tweak, it has nothing to configure. Once you download the tweak, it will be work right away when you launch your Snapchat application. DarkSnap CCDarkGround. So when you download the tweak, it will be once you want to open your control center, as you guys can see, it will be providing you with dark page once you want to launch your control center. So if you swap down, just get back to normal. If you want to launch your control center again, just like so. This is what is that tweak is going to be do for your iDevice. So when you download the tweak, it has nothing to configure. It will be work right away when you download the tweak on your iDevice. There you go, CCDarkGround. And next, what I have for you guys in today's video from Avalon, I have another beautiful lock screen widget. So when you download the widget, you have to make sure you already have the lock HTML4 on your iDevice. When you download it, you will be find it under the select widget from here. Simply if you tap on it, as you guys can see, there is the one that we download here. So I'm going to be pick this one here, showing you guys how is that going to be work. Optimize, yes, and right now I'm going to be tap on the save. If I want to go right now to my lock screen, showing you guys how is that gonna be looks like, it's gonna be looks like this on your lock screen. Looks so nice if you want to set it on your lock screen. If you like to download the lock screen widget, there you go guys, you can find the link. I'll be leave it in the description below. You can download it from Avalon. Okay, so the next one is Canyoulike not. So always when you want to download a tweak, you need to respring your device. Or if you want to delete any one of the tweaks that you don't like on your iDevice, you need to respring your device. And always when you respring your device, it will take you back to your lock screen. With this tweak right there, it's going to be skip that ahead directly. So when you download the tweak, when you want to download something or you want to delete something using the Cydia application and you want to respring your device, tweak here is going to be skip ahead to going back to your screen. It's going to be make it easy for you to reach your home screen. It's better than to every single time you need to type in your passcode and then after that unlock your device. There you go guys, Canyoulike not is going to be make it easier for you. Mask Me 10. So this tweak right there, when you download it, is going to be providing you to make hidden messages or hidden users, and it's going to be filter names for you, so you can go through some customized things when you download the tweak here. Let me show you guys. So when you download the tweak, the first thing that you need to do is just enable the button here, and then the second thing you can go through, which is you have the name changer here, and then you can type in the name, the real name, and then the fake name that you're gonna be set on your iDevice, and then the content changer here. So first of all, you need to enable the button here, and then you can type any kind of fake message. So when you receive from a specific person any message, you'll be receive the message that you write it by yourself and you set it on your iDevice. This is how that tweak is going to be work. This is how that tweak is going to be help a lot of people. And then, as I said, always notifications, messages, it's your privacy. Nobody can take a look at it. Nobody can just go through all your information on your iDevice. With this tweak right there, highly recommend you guys download it, and it's going to be protect your notifications from somebody who tried to look at it. There you go guys, Mask Me 10. Let me talk with you guys about some cool stuff. So did you guys can see here, let me just bring that closer. So did you guys can see here, I have some icons right now on my status bar. So those are notifications. Those are, I set it for the Facebook, my Twitter account, my Gmail, and my YouTube as well. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set that on your status bar. Okay, so basically if you want to set those on your status bar, you need to download 3 tweaks, and I'm going to be talking with you guys about it and showing you guys, and also I'm going to be leave the link for you guys in the description. So the first tweak that you need to download, which is going to be the Libmoorecon, and also you need to download the OpenNotifier 10 on your device, and the last one, which is going to be the OpenNotifier Premium Pack. So after you're done from downloading the 3 tweaks that I already told you guys about it, you need to look right now under the settings for the OpenNotifier 10. Just tap on it, and right now when you download the tweak, I'm going to be showing you what to do. So the first thing, you need to enable the button here, and then this is the second thing, enable that button here, and then you can go through some customized stuff that if you want to play with your iDevice with it. But the basic thing, I'm going to be talking about the icons here. So when you enable those, the 2 buttons here, you need to go straight away to applications. So here you have 2 sections. You have the enable section, and then you have the disabled section. So as you guys can see right now, under the enable section here, I have my Facebook, my mail, Twitter, WhatsApp, and my YouTube. Those are right now available, and it's already, once I receive something, they will be show up on my status bar. Once I read from my notification center the message, it will be disappeared from here. It will be appear again if I receive something on my iDevice. I'm going to be showing you guys and just demonstrate one of the icons here. So if I, for example, want to pick the news here, and then once you pick the application, it's going to be providing you with a lot of icons here. It's a ton of icons, beautiful icons that you can pick, and then once you pick the icon from here, it'll be show up on your status bar. So for example, I'm going to be take the eBay one here, and then once I pick the icon, it will be providing me with that switch, which is going to be the enable switch. So once you just enable the switch, once you receive any kind of news, it will be notify you, so you will be see the icon that you already set, that you already enable. It will be show up here or appear here on your status bar. This is how is that going to be work. This is how is the Moza thing, how you can set it. If you want me to go through a lot of things, I can't. I don't want to waste your time. It's going to be takes a lot of time to explain a lot of things, but this is the basic thing. There you go, guys, the OpenNotifier 10, and this is how is the icons going to be show up on your status bar. PSfixer. So when you download the tweak is going to be providing you with, it's going to be move that extra blank space always when you open any kind of application under the settings. So as you guys can see here, let me just bring that closer so you guys can see. This is before and after. So whenever you open any kind of application under the settings, you will be see some extra blank space on the top always. So when you download the tweak, this is the after, you will be see that blank space will be disappeared, and you will be have nice looking for any kind of application that you want to open under the settings. There you go, guys. Have fun with PSfixer. The next cool tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, which is going to be the next alarm 10, and this is going to be providing you with a lot of stuff under the settings. So go into the settings here, and then the first thing that you need to do to enable the button here, and it's going to be providing you with a lot of stuff that you can go through. So one of the stuff here, you can choose the status bar type here, and then also you can do that on your lock screen, and then you can enable the icon badge here. So you have the button here, so you can enable or disable that, and then you can go through some stuff here in the bottom. Basically, when you download the tweak, is going to be providing you, as you guys can see, with a lot of things that you can customize using the next alarm 10 for your iDevice. Also, the beautiful thing that the tweak is going to be providing you with, when you set any kind of alarm, it will be show up as in a badge on your clock icon, just like so. How beautiful that is. There you go, guys. Have fun with alarm clock 10. Banner sound 10. So when you download the tweak, is going to be providing you, and you can change a lot of stuff. Like one of these stuff is going to be the sound or the vibration for your notification, and then you can customize some stuff under the tweak settings. So go into the settings here. The first thing that you need to do to enable the button here, and then the other thing, maybe if you want to temporary profile status bar icon, you can just enable that or disable that global notification option here. If you want to go, you can pick the action from here. You just stop on here, default, and yes, no, it's up to you. You can customize some stuff here. Filters, you can go down the filters, you can enable or disable some stuff here. Profiles, if you go to the profiles, the same thing, you can pick the file, and then you can do your customize for that file. You can disable the banners from here, so you can pick the application. Once you enable the application, you'll be disabled the banners from here, and then you can go through some stuff like the blank multi notification 4, and then here the applications, timeout, allow DNF filter over, and then the other thing, you can add sound for any kind of application. For example, what you need to do, just pick the application that you want, and then you can set the sound for that application. This is how is that going to be work for the banner sound 10. Highly recommend you guys to download it. It's going to be providing you with a lot of stuff. And there you go, banner sound 10. Another cool tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, which is going to be the BeGreen, and that tweak, when you download it, is going to be providing you, and you can do some customized battery percentage style using the tweak here. If we go to the settings, so the first thing that you need to do to enable the button here, and then you can go through a lot of stuff, as you guys can see here. So one of the things that's really amazing, you can choose the low power display from here, and then you can choose also the charging route display from here. One of the beautiful things that tweak is going to be providing you with, which is you have the enabled key here for the raw percentage for the lock screen icon. So you can set the icon on your lock screen, so you will be having access from your lock screen. And then also you can switch in between, so we have the format 1, and then you have the format 2, and then also you can choose the profiles from here. This is how is that tweak is going to be beautiful. Highly recommend you guys to download it, because it's going to be providing you with a lot of stuff. And there you go, guys, BeGreen. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked the video, please, just like always, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for my channel for more videos. I see you guys in the next video. This is Do Tech. Thanks for watching.